I think AI is one of the biggest threats.
These systems will make a lot of jobs just go away. Every technological revolution does.
The AI will be able to do everything.
I did not expect ChatGPT to get so good.
The real issue is if 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 5 million people have their jobs disrupted.
Are you constantly haunted by the fear of losing your job to AI? Whether you're already seeing it happen or just worried about the future, the threat is real. According to the World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs will be replaced by AI by 2025. With AI getting better at doing human-like tasks, many jobs are at risk of disappearing. Let's find out whether your job could potentially be one of them. Number 10, software engineers. Cognition Labs has recently introduced an AI named Devin, which has the capability to work independently like a software engineer. Devin can code, debug, and even develop apps, video games, and websites in multiple programming languages, just like a human. However, many software engineers are concerned that Devin may replace them in their jobs. Devin is highly efficient in developing software from start to finish and continuously gets better with time. Although some people say that Devin is here to assist and not replace, it remains uncertain if companies will prefer Devin over human engineers in the future. Number 9, video animator and graphic designers. Video animators are feeling extremely anxious about the emergence of Sora, a groundbreaking AI tool developed by OpenAI specifically for animation purposes. This innovative technology has the remarkable capability to transform text into captivating moving images, raising significant concerns among animators about the security of their livelihoods. In addition to Sora, there's another tool called Midjourney, a prime example of generative AI that creates images based on text prompts. Many artists working in film, TV, video game development, marketing, and other industries rely on their artistic skills to create posters, logos, character designs, and illustrations. However, time is their enemy. Creating a single piece of art often demands countless hours of dedication, causing artists to burn the midnight oil and sacrifice weekends to meet client demands. Now, imagine a scenario where a book editor can get 50 illustrations in the style of a renowned artist within minutes using AI. While the outcome may not perfectly match the artist's vision, the substantial cost savings may prompt the editor to opt for automated image generation with minimal touch-ups. Number 8, transportations. Companies are developing self-driving cars, trucks, and drones that can navigate roads and deliver goods without human intervention. These vehicles use sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to perceive their surroundings and make driving decisions. Self-driving vehicles can operate around the clock without needing brakes, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. AI-powered transportation systems promise increased efficiency and cost savings for companies. With further advancements, they could potentially replace human drivers for tasks such as transportation of goods and passengers. Number 7, factory workers. Machines don't require salaries, benefits, breaks, or vacations, and they can work around the clock without fatigue. While the initial investment in AI and automation technology might be significant, in the long run, it can be more cost-effective than employing human workers. AI-controlled robots can perform tasks with a high degree of precision and accuracy, which is crucial in industries like manufacturing, where even small errors can lead to defects and waste. Some tasks in factories can be dangerous for human workers, such as handling heavy machinery or working in hazardous environments. Using AI-powered robots can improve safety by eliminating the need for humans to perform these tasks. Number 6, customer service representative. Most customer service requests are fairly mundane or recurring, such as tracking an order, checking a balance, or providing basic product information. Modern customers increasingly want fast and convenient services. By automating mundane tasks, AI could provide a better experience for customers with more self-service options and help fix some of the industry's biggest problems, especially employee burnout and inefficiency. Number 5, data entry job. Data entry tasks typically involve repetitive actions, such as typing or copying information from one source to another. AI systems can automate these tasks efficiently without fatigue or errors. Human data entry can be prone to errors due to factors like fatigue, distraction, or simple simple oversight. AI systems, on the other hand, can achieve a high level of accuracy, reducing the need for manual verification and correction. AI algorithms can process and input data much faster than humans. This speed advantage can significantly reduce the time required to complete data entry tasks. While there may be upfront costs associated with implementing AI systems, in the long run, they can be more cost-effective compared to employing human workers for data entry tasks. Number 4, content writers. AI can produce content that is grammatically correct, stylistically consistent, and tailored to specific audiences with remarkable precision. This proficiency ensures a level of quality and consistency that is difficult to achieve with human writers, who may vary in skill level and adherence to style guidelines. AI can be trained to specialize in various niche topics, from technical fields like medicine and engineering to specialized industries like finance and law. This specialized expertise allows AI to produce content that is not only accurate and informative, but also tailored to the unique requirements of specific domains that can be challenging for human writers without extensive subject matter expertise. Number 3, surgical assistants. Instead of relying on an assistant to provide additional hands or help relay instructions, AI could one day take over the surgical assistant role entirely. Such an advancement in medical technology would not only streamline operations, but also make surgeries much safer by reducing potential mistakes from human error. As AI technology continues to make progress, it's quite possible that surgery as we know it is about to undergo a dramatic transformation in surgery. Number 2, soldiers and military personnel. The head of the UK military stated that autonomous robots could soon form a quarter of the British Army by 2030. Robots are regularly being used in military operations for various tasks, such as surveillance, intelligence, and many others. Using predictive algorithms and adaptive intelligence, AI systems are now capable of performing tasks that were once restricted to human comprehension alone. With rapid advances in deep learning and robotics, it appears clear that soon AI will replace soldiers and pilots with robots. Major powers, including the US military, are actively investing in AI-integrated robotics for military purposes, raising significant ethical and security concerns. Yes, it's already time to be worried, very worried, as the wars in Ukraine and Gaza have shown the earliest drone equivalents of killer robots have made it onto the battlefield and proven to be devastating weapons. Number 1, social media influencers. You'll never guess who's making a killing as an online influencer these days. A fake person. Yep, you heard that right. Aitana Lopez is not a real human being, but an AI-generated virtual influencer created by designer Ruben Cruz and his agency, The Clueless. Aitana has more than 300,000 followers on Instagram, and she's earning up to $11,000 per month from sponsored content and fan subscriptions. The best part? Brands are lining up to work with Aitana because she's so easy to deal with. Unlike real influencers, this virtual AI never complains, never asks for more money, and never threatens to expose its dirty secrets online. It's a marketer's dream come true. So if you're a real-life influencer, you might want to start brushing up on your coding skills. If Aitana Lopez is any indication, the future of the influencer industry is looking undoubtedly digital, and it's leaving the human element behind. Could this be the end of the influencer as we know it? Well, there you have it, folks. The top 10 jobs that could be replaced by AI by 2025. Are you ready for the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Until next time, stay curious.